In this video, I'll show you how to set up Mysterium VPN. Now, Mysterium VPN is a decentralized VPN, which means instead of using traditional servers, it connects you to a network of peer-to-peer nodes run by people all around the world. Setting it up is fairly straightforward, but it does require a few extra steps compared to a standard VPN. First, go to the official Mysterium website and download the app that matches your operating system, whether you're on Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. Once you install it, launch the app and create a new account. You'll need to set up a wallet inside the app because Mysterium uses its own cryptocurrency, called MYST, to pay for bandwidth. That means you'll have to purchase some tokens and deposit them into your wallet before you can connect. After that's done, you can open the app, browse through the list of available nodes, and select one based on location, speed, or price. Keep in mind that since these are peer-to-peer connections, speeds and reliability can vary quite a lot. Once you pick a node, just hit Connect, and your traffic will be routed securely through that peer's network. Now, while Mysterium is a very interesting project, it's not the most practical choice for everyday use. You need to deal with cryptocurrency, connections can be inconsistent, and streaming services or certain websites may not always work smoothly. That's why many people, including myself, prefer something like NordVPN. With NordVPN, you just install the app, log in, and you're instantly connected to thousands of fast, secure servers around the world. You don't need to worry about crypto, and you get reliable speeds for browsing, streaming, and gaming without interruptions. Plus, NordVPN includes extra features like threat protection, double VPN, and strong privacy policies that make it a much easier and safer option overall. So yes, you can set up Mysterium VPN if you're curious about decentralized technology, but if your main goal is a fast, private, and user-friendly VPN, NordVPN is the smarter choice. Don't forget to check the link in the description to get NordVPN at a great price today.